SBI. It is mainly approved by SBI.
Okay.
Even you can sit at your place and check it in SBI website. 1.5 lakh liter capacity का water tank है. And moreover, you can go with your individual borewells.
So we can go with individual borewells as well.
Yes.
You mean to say?
Yeah, you can go with individual borewell.
That's really as well. For example, 3 floors में मैं काफी कुछ रेंट भी कमा सकता हूँ यहाँ पे.
आप रेंट भी कमा सकते हैं, उसमें EMI भी कवर कर सकते हैं.
बहुत कुछ कर सकता हूँ.
बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं. As per the BDA standards only we have developed the layout.
अच्छा.
And as per the Vastu we have developed the layout.
Okay.
So no need to think about Vastu or development. All are standard to the government norms.
Okay.
गार्डन 30-40 में बना नहीं सकते.
मुश्किल है.
30-40 में उसीलिए हम एक घर के सामने ही एक छोटा सा गार्डन रखा हुआ है.
तो गाइज इस वीडियो में मैं ज़्यादा मस्का या मक्खन नहीं लगाने वाला हूँ, क्योंकि इन हैनोर वी हैव लॉस्ट lots of properties when it was selling for 5,000 rupees, and here again I've got a property, ek hatha property guys, for you. Only one thing I can tell you is buy it in lakhs today and sell it in crores tomorrow. On the way I'm heading towards the project, and I've seen a lot of landmarks on the way while I'm heading towards the project. Stay with me till the end and check this video very clearly, because after 6 months or 1 year, definitely you're going to regret if you don't look at this video today. So there are many investors who wanted this kind of property. So here we go.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my new vlog. This is Prithvi and you're watching Prithvi Nivasi. There are lots of people that were asking me that they wanted something, a beautiful gated community in the range of 6,000 to 7,000 rupees. So here I am today. Beautiful layout जो पीछे आपको दिख रहा है. I'm going to show you this layout completely and कितने plots हैं, what are the sizes, what are the amenities, and what is the locality and details. Everything I'm going to share you right in this video. So this property is something coming in your budget because of lots of demand coming in from you people to me through my comments and WhatsApp messages and calls. That is the reason why I'm here for you. So don't forget to watch this complete video till the end, because lots of information going to come. There I'm going to introduce you with the builder and सारा details सब कुछ हम देखने वाले हैं. So stay in the video till the end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm also going to give you the number of the builder, direct number. You can call him directly and negotiate with him. And also I'm going to share you the name of the company who has already covered, who has already sold out more than 15 layouts in Bangalore. So let's start the video. So I'm going to ask him all the details of the property and you guys can keep yourself hooked up. Abhi filhal he's on a call, so over here is this is the entrance. The moment we came, this is a large facade I can see, and आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे हरियाली. It's all green completely and a beautiful layout which is beautifully decently developed, and यहाँ पे मुझे कोई flaws ही नहीं दिख रहा है. So this property is going to be one of the best. So guys, I would want to talk to the main person who is handling the sales and the complete development, who knows everything about this project, who's sold most of the plots here. तो वरदराज सर मेरे साथ हैं एंड दिस इज़ माय फ्रेंड मिस्टर राजेंद्र सिंह एंड हम वैसे राजेंद्र सिंह भी इज़ फ्रॉम उत्तराखंड, मैं भी उत्तराखंड से हूँ एंड सर यहाँ पे हैं. लेट्स टॉक टू सर अबाउट व्हाट इज़ दिस प्लॉट अबाउट, what is good thing to invest here, why we should invest, and many more things. Varadaraj sir is right in front of me and he's going to help me out in this.
Hello everyone, I am Varadaraj here from Gateway Residency.
So sir, this Gateway Residency, what is the size of this complete project? Can you explain me some little details? If you can tell me, it will be great help.
Yeah, so this is in size of like 7 acres.
Out of 7 acres, how many plots are coming up in this?
Totally 112 units are there.
112 plotted community.
Yeah.
So 112 में this is like you have a lot of breathing space looks like, because 7 acres is काफी बड़ा हो जाता है ना सर.
Yeah, this is like, see, as I mentioned you, it is approved layout. When proper approved layout में हमको मिलेगा like 45% reserved place मिलेगा.
अच्छा.
Reserved place रखना चाहिए और 55% open space रहेगा.
So it's one good thing is there is no much hustle bustle, no much crunch in the area to move around. बच्चों का खेलना, it's a lot of space. You may that's what you're trying to come up in this project. A lot of space.
Exactly. 45% is reserved and 55% will get sellable area.
Sellable area.
So where the customer get 45% open space, including roads, parks, CA, all this thing, play area, everything.
Okay. So project is looking really beautiful, very nice. You put a park right behind. I can see there is a park area as well. So can you tell me something more about amenities, like the civic amenities or any other amenities you have, so my people can know about this?
See, basic amenities, we have fulfilled everything as of now, you can see, which is fully developed, sir. We have given like internal roads are 30 feet widened roads and external roads are 40 feet roads.
Okay.
And amenities wise, like all the basic amenities, underground drainage system, underground sewage system, completely tarred, roadside plantations, everything we have covered, including park, fully compounded, 24-hour security with CC cameras and street lights.
The street lights are underground, or is it like the old style street lights you have
No,
here?
sir, it is
The wiring and all that.
It is completely underground.
Okay.
Whatever we have given, everything we have done underground only. Sewage, electricity, water lines, everything, rainwater harvesting, everything completely electricity is underground.
Around the site के बगल में जो मुझे दिख रहा है ये सब, तो can you little tell me something about this, sir?
Yeah, see, this one, what happens, like we have given all the roadside footpath plantations. What we are trying to cover here, it is everyone dream is like in 30-40 they can't like make a garden.
Okay.
Garden 30-40 में बना नहीं सकते.
मुश्किल है
30-40 में उसीलिए हम एक घर के सामने ही एक छोटा सा गार्डन रखा हुआ है.
अच्छा, ये सब एक छोटा सा गार्डन जैसा आपने दिया हुआ है, so that at least you know 30-40 में कुछ तो अचीव हो सकता है लोगों के लिए. And this trees are going to be the same?
Yeah, all are palm trees,
Okay.
which is coming up in a nice way.
Uh-huh.
You can see, you can look at the trees, all are smiling.
Correct, true.
You can see in our layout, it is a thick vegetation what we have maintained here completely.
Okay.
Our concept is like to maintain thick vegetation.
Absolutely.
So I hope you are seeing this.
No, I can see a lot of greenery all around, and beautifully this tar road is done as if we जो BDA layouts में करते हैं.
As per the BDA standards only, we have developed the layout.
अच्छा.
And as per the Vastu, we have developed the layout.
Okay.
So no need to think about Vastu or development. All are standard to the government norms.
Okay. Out of 112 plots
112
in 7 acres.
Yeah.
So this is currently phase. This is one phase or?
Sir, this is phase 1. We are also coming up with phase 2 also adjacent to this land.
Okay.
That will be launched in November. दिवाली को launch करेंगे हम.
ठीक है.
उसका price तो बहुत ज़्यादा रहेगा. Let you know in.
Soon you will be letting me know.
Sure.
Okay. Can you explain me something about this underground sewage?
System.
Yeah.
And you can see there like underground water line.
Okay.
White color pipe.
Okay.
Light. And this red color pipe is sewage connection.
Okay.
And this where you are standing, this is a rampage.
Mm-hmm.
It is as per the Vastu. It is in northeast corner only.
Okay.
Entrance.
Okay.
We are given private rampage.
Okay.
And you can see like a private garden in front of each plot.
Yeah.
And we have maintained the plants also, roadside plantations.
Okay. Okay. 8-way feederal box.
Box for 8 sites. on
Okay.
each side. We
So
are
this is going to be for 8 sites.
8 plots.
Okay, 8 plots. Okay,
So it is completely underground,
okay,
and you can see the street lights also.
okay.
We have covered the street lights, and you can see like
So these are all the street lights
exactly.
which you have installed. So I can see that there is no wiring anywhere.
Correct.
तो सारा वायरिंग आपने अंडरग्राउंड कर दिया है सब कुछ.
Yes, अंडरग्राउंड कर दिया, और वाटर टैंक भी देख सकते हैं आप.
हाँ जी.
रेडी 1.5 लाख लीटर कैपेसिटी का वाटर टैंक है.
Uh-huh.
जो इट इज सफिशिएंट फॉर दिस लेवट,
Uh-huh.
एंड मोर ओवर यू कैन गो विथ योर इंडिविजुअल बोरवेल्स,
Okay.
and we have
So we can go with individual borewells as well.
yes.
You mean to say?
Yeah, you can go with individual borewell.
That's really great, right?
Yeah, and apart from that, like you can go with multiple kitchens option.
Mm-hmm.
We don't have any restrictions of multiple kitchen. If you go to any other level, they
Huh.
have a restrictions of
Correct.
multiple kitchens.
Correct.
Here we don't have any restrictions on multiple.
So we can go with the rental income facility as well. For example, 3 floors में मैं काफी कुछ रेंट भी कमा सकता हूँ यहाँ पे.
आप रेंट भी कमा सकते हैं, उसमें EMI भी कवर कर सकते
कवर
हैं.
कर सकते हैं, बहुत कुछ कर सकता हूँ मैं.
बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं. So that is what like this plots are moving fastly.
तो सर मैंने देखा वहाँ पे पीछे
हाँ.
काफी सारे घर हैं. तो कैन यू explain me about that? Lots of houses come already there.
Yeah, it's already there. This is next to our layout called as Hegganalli,
हाँ.
where even you will find OR homes and Airbnb also here.
Airbnb as well.
Yeah, it is very close to the international airport.
Okay.
And we are much more before international airport.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
So how far is this from airport right now?
See, we are like 10 kilometers from before airport.
10 kilometers before airport.
Yeah.
And how far is Yelahanka from here?
Yelahanka, we can call it as Yelahanka extension itself, where like just on 800 to 900 meters away from Yelahanka extension, sir.
Okay.
See, here आपको एक विद्याशिल्पा यूनिवर्सिटी आएगा.
Vidyashilpa. हाँ.
Just from our layout, it is 800 meters away.
Mhm.
The Vidyashilpa University, if you search in Google, also it will fall in Yelahanka only.
Okay. So now यहाँ पे इतने सारे घर आ गए, then that means it is very much livable in this location. At the moment, immediately I can start living here.
Exactly, sir. People who want to start living here immediately, they can start constructing here, and they can live. They have good connectivities and good grocery shops, and nearby needy all facilities are there. Hospitals are there. Good schools are there. International schools are there, and we are surrounded by IT companies as well as the industrial corridors.
So can you give me some good landmarks? What are there close by? Like
See-
Vidyashilpa, you said.
Yeah.
Stone Hill is there as well.
Vidyashilpa University is there, Stone Hill International School is there, Embassy International School is there, Rain International School is there. Apart from that, Aurora International School is there, Amethi University is there, Cambridge North Engineering College is there, like Geetham University is there. Apart from that, Vishweshwaraya Engineering College is there.
Oh, okay.
All this thing, we can call it as educational hub.
Hub.
Yeah.
Correct.
And when we come to the like connectivity, we have 2 entrances to our layout. One is on the eastern side. Eastern side will be 100 feet road.
Okay.
100 feet main road.
Okay.
Where you can BMTC bus connectivity is there.
Mhm.
Apart from that, in the back entrance, we have like 30 feet road.
Okay.
That is also connecting BMTC buses will play on that route.
Okay.
also.
Okay. Right now, are there anybody living here, and what kind of families or what kind of background is the families living here already?
Like IAS and KS officers have started living here.
Okay.
And some people have started constructing. I hope you have seen that one also.
Yes. IAS officer and KS officer already living, then there shouldn't be any big problem as such. If someone IT professional, ज़्यादातर लोग there are maximum people are 90-95% are all IT guys. So they need security. So what do you feel that in terms of security, how far, how good the layout stands?
Yeah.
In-
See, when we talk about the security, first thing is documentation.
Okay.
So this layout is approved by like Bayappa, RERA, and like banks also, leading banks also. So SBI is approved in the sense how tight is SBI panel advocates.
Correct.
So once it is approved by SBI, then it is a hollow mark that clear title property.
Okay.
So and we are tied up with major leading banks. So blindly nobody will fund, right?
Yeah.
So like we are tied up with major leading players in the market.
Okay.
HDFC, Axis Bank, ICICI, and like SBI.
Okay.
So in terms of documents, it's clear title property, and we provide like a document, one set of documents and a time frame, certain time frame to the customers to verify the documents. Then only they come forward and start the further process.
So do you also help in construction, or we can do it on our own?
Yeah, we don't have any restriction that you need to go through us only. You can go through any of the construction team, or if you want some help, we are there to help it out with our construction team. And individual E-Khata, 100% released plots from BIAPA, and
Okay.
it is ready for registration, ready for construction, and we are tie up with all leading banks. For example, we are tie up with SBI, HDFC, Axis Bank, as well ICICI Bank. They are funding up to 80%. If you just down payment the amount of 20%, rest we will take care. And like it is BIAPA approved, RERA approved, and individual E-Khata, 100% release.
तो सर अबाउट द डॉक्यूमेंट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आजकल रियल एस्टेट में देर इज वन बिग वरी इज द डॉक्यूमेंट्स एंड द रिलायबिलिटी. टू गो विद दिस प्रोजेक्ट, what is the best thing that we are doing? Are we really going with a good document, a good developer? Can you just put some light on this?
See, so far we have completed here in the Bangalore 15 project. Our boss, like he was in other reputed builder. He's a well experienced guy in this past 40 years. He's there in this field. And in this project, it is, as I said.
So you have completed already 15 projects you mentioned.
Yeah, we
Right,
have completed so far 15 projects. As per the documents, as I was saying you, like it is BIPA approved and RERA approved, clear title properties, 100% release properties, and it is general property. And you would have seen nowadays in this thing, as per the central government norms, you need to go with the standard of local authority approvals only.
Okay, okay.
Otherwise, they are not allowing you to construct the houses.
Yes.
And they are not giving electricity connections.
Correct.
Either they are not giving drainage connections.
Yes.
All these things.
They are not giving the approvals,
Yes.
the sanctions, the BESCOM and many things. Yeah.
I request all the customers, wherever you buy the approval layouts only. Invest in the approval layouts so that you can sleep peacefully, you can live peacefully.
Okay, okay, okay. And sir, what about the khatas, and have anybody received the khatas and e-khatas over here? Registration क्या level तक हो रहा है इधर? And please let me know about this.
Registration तो इधर पे already एक 70 plus sites तो registration हो चुका है.
ओहो.
And customers have got transferred the khatas into their name. E-Khatas.
So already they have transferred in their name as well.
Their name as well. And if you want to show the khatas I have in my car, I will show you that also.
अच्छा, तो इसका मतलब ई खाता भी मिल गया है, एंड रजिस्ट्रेशन भी राइट नाउ इज रजिस्ट्रेशन गोइंग ऑन हियर?
Yeah, ready for registration, ready for constructions.
सो कैन आई बाय एंड डू द रजिस्ट्रेशन टुमारो?
Tomorrow only you can come.
ओके
We
ओके.
have registrations on Monday as well as on Wednesday also.
तो गाइस बेसिकली दिस इज द टैंक 1.5 लाख लीटर्स टैंक है ये, और इसी के बगल में फेज 2, एंड द फेज 2 इज गोइंग टू हैव द क्लब हाउस. तो इस क्लब हाउस के बारे में हम लोग अभी वरदराज सर के साथ बात करते हैं. तो सर मुझे क्लब हाउस के बारे में भी कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन अगर आप दोगे तो इट विल बी रियली ग्रेट.
Yeah, see, we are coming up with 16,000 square feet का clubhouse आ रहा है.
अच्छा.
The clubhouse will be for common clubhouse for phase 1 and phase 2. And clubhouse में जो amenity we are giving is like adults pool, kids pool, like cafeteria, gym,
Okay.
and like indoor games.
ओके
And party hall. All these things are coming.
Okay.
And this clubhouse will be for phase 1 and phase 2 common clubhouse.
कॉमन क्लब हाउस.
Yeah. And we are about to launch phase 2 in coming November
अच्छा.
with higher price.
ऑब्वियसली हायर प्राइस देन दिस. एंड कितने प्लॉट्स होंगे सर फेज 2 में?
Same area only. Phase 2 is also coming up with 7 acres.
7 acres. So totally there'll be 14 acres with 2 phases
2 phases.
with a clubhouse.
Yeah, with the clubhouse. And like approximately 250 units.
Pool is going to be there
Yeah, pool is there. Adults pool is there. Kids pool is separate.
separate.
2 pools we are giving there.
Okay.
Inside the clubhouse.
Mhm.
Apart from that, cafeteria is there, gym is there, indoor games are there, and party hall is also there. What else?
व्हाट एल्स वी नीड सर, सब कुछ है, तो इसीलिए दिस इज द प्राइस व्हाट यू आर कोटिंग. तो सर we have spoken about the schools, we have spoken about what is there around, what is coming up, लेकिन majorly क्या होता है कि hospitals are very very important, they play a big role. So hospital के बारे में आप कुछ बता सकते हो मुझे?
See, very close to us, we have like Baptist Hospital and Akshaya Hospital.
Okay.
Apart from that, Manipal Hospital, Aster Hospital. Many hospitals are there within close radius only.
Okay. In my channel, basically most of them are all IT people, North Indian, South Indian, all put together, and 90% of all IT guys. So what is the IT around here? यहाँ पे कौन सी companies हैं where people are living here and they can get jobs very close by and they can work from home like. तो can you tell me something about the companies?
Yeah, 5 kilometer में Prestige Cloud Tech Park is there.
Prestige Tech Park.
Which has a seating capacity of 16,000.
16,000.
And like Amazon World Trade Center से इधर पे move हो गया.
अच्छा.
People have started working here.
Okay.
So IT operation is going on here.
Okay.
And if you go little bit further, there is a Satwa building. There the Amazon corporate office is working.
Okay.
So this first IT park which is in operation close to our Levat is Prestige Cloud Tech Park. Apart from the IT park, we are very close to Industrial Corridor. Which is already started their operations with 1,500 acres. Down the line, in 5 years, in the bandwidth of 5 to 8 lakhs people will start working here in 6 kilometer radius in 1,500 acres.
Okay.
Apart from that, just adjacent to that, you would have heard Foxconn company have started operation in Devanalli, which is just 6.5 kilometers away from our Levatar. 70,005 people have started working there.
So sir, this is really great information because the rates which are going on right now in Bangalore are going bizarre. Like the rates are going up and up and up. इतना कि हेनूर में जो मैं कवर कर रहा हूँ हेनूर में, the prices are somewhere for a B khata property. Prices are somewhere 10,000 to 15,000 rupees. 15, it is almost touched 15,000 rupees. ये layout भी कभी उस price में चले जाएगा या ये area भी वहाँ पे it will touch that benchmark. What do you feel about the prices?
Sir, currently if you check with our neighbor developers, they are quoting around in between 7.5 to 9,000 rupees if you take reputed builders like Prestige, all other Savannah, all these things. Their bracket sizes in between 7.5 to 9,000 rupees.
9,000 rupees.
9,000
Savannah तो बगल में ही है. It's about 200 meters.
Yeah, 200 meters and Embassy Springs is there.
Okay.
Just we are beside Embassy
So they are
Springs.
quoting 9,000 rupees.
9,000 rupees. They can check it in the Google itself.
And this is, you said is 5,900.
900 rupees. We are giving much cheaper only compared to the market.
तो guys जो भी मुझे सुन रहे हैं अभी, just understand you are buying something which is nearly 4 to 5,000 rupees less than the market, which is just 100 meters away. The people are quoting 9,000 and you are buying it for, if you are coming with me, you are getting this benefit. Otherwise sir तो already बेच चुके हैं. How many plots you have sold already?
So far I have sold like 70 plus plots have been sold, already registered.
तो 70 plus plots already बिक चुका है. तो what else? Another 30 plots are available?
Yeah, roughly 35 plots are available, limited plots only available.
So guys, there are nearly 60 messages in my WhatsApp box में who are looking for in this range. तो सारे के सारे आप सर को कॉल कर सकते हो. आई एम गोइंग टू लीव सर्स नंबर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. स्क्रीन में भी आपको सर का नंबर मिलेगा. एक मिनट के लिए आप पेपर के बारे में कुछ बता सकते हो, डॉक्यूमेंट्स के बारे में.
डॉक्यूमेंट्स के बारे में बताना तो इट इज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट्स जनरल प्रॉपर्टी.
ओके.
इट्स बायपा अप्रूव्ड.
ओके.
रेरा अप्रूव्ड.
ओके.
इंडिविजुअल एक खाता.
ओके. इंडिविजुअल एक खाता.
इंडिविजुअल एक खाता.
ओके.
एंड 100% रिलीज प्लॉट्स completely.
Okay.
So all these things are there. Apart from that, we are tie up with reputed banks. SBI. It is mainly approved by SBI.
Okay.
Even you can sit at your place and check it in SBI website, typing that Gateway Residency towards Bangalore North.
Okay.
So
okay.
you'll get more information there only. You can go to RERA website and check our RERA number. I will share you the RERA numbers when you connect me.
Okay.
So I'll share you the RERA numbers. They can check it directly in the RERA website also. It is a clear title property, 100% release property.
Okay.
So guys, it's time to check what is the benefits that you will be getting if you come with me to this property to purchase.
पार्क तो बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है. ब्यूटीफुल, लवली लुकिंग पार्क.
This is the one largest park, 20,000 square feet पे बना हुआ है
20,000 square feet.
20,000 square feet में park है.
Mhm.
And you can see like a kids play area here, एक play equipment, including play equipments के साथ आप परगोला भी देख सकते हैं उधर.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
And senior citizen बैठने के लिए थोड़ा एक chairs भी लगा हुआ है
Okay.
उधर पे.
हाँ.
And you can see this is a walking track.
Correct.
So like in the evening they can spend a good time. In the morning they can do walking.
So this is nearly half an acre park itself. You've really not seen in long time. Like nearly half acre and some small parks also already है
We
यहाँ पे.
have 3 parks in this layout.
Okay.
This is the biggest park.
Okay. तो सर अगर मेरे साथ there are lots of clients who are going to call you. मैं आपका नंबर तो दे रहा हूँ डिस्क्रिप्शन में. There are lots of people who are going to call you. But if someone comes with me, see, this is going to be a direct deal. There are no brokers involved. There's nobody involved in this. It is directly you and the buyers, whoever. It can be my subscriber, it can be my viewers or anybody who is seeing this video. Definitely they're going to call you. But what if someone comes along with me? मेरे साथ अगर आएंगे, if I'm bringing that client to the property, क्या उनको कुछ आप consider कर सकते हो? Can you tell me what is the price and what price you're going to give to my clients?
See, straight away.
Who is going to come with me?
See, straight away, I'm going to offer you, if somebody is coming with you, straight away I can offer you at the price of 5,900 rupees per square foot.
5,900 with all these amenities, gated community, security, everything.
Everything.
All included.
All included, excluding clubhouse charges.
Clubhouse charges.
Clubhouse and maintenance charges will be separate.
Okay. For a 30-40.
For a 30-40.
So how much 30-40 will fall on a quoting price? जो आप quote कर रहे हो market में, what is the 30-40 price?
Approximately आपको आ जाएगा 70 लाख आसपास में.
70 lakhs के आसपास में 30-40. And if they are coming with me, it will come up to?
Yes, 70 only. Like
70.
5,900 rupees, which is into.
Okay. So with me, somebody who is coming, he'll get it for 70 lakhs. Otherwise, it's going to be more. Okay. So Varadaraj sir is handling this project solely with him. He's the internal part of this company, Gateway Residency. इसका नाम है. Number, details, everything is in the description. Don't forget to take this chance property in your name. आपके नाम पे इसको कर लो. It is an एक हाथा property guys, and that too 3 to 4,000 rupees less than the market. तो नंबर आपको मिल जाएगा. तो जल्दी हम लोग इस प्रोजेक्ट में मिलेंगे. मैं आपके साथ आऊँगा so that you can get to extra discount. And whoever wants to come here, do let me know. My number इस वीडियो में तो नहीं मिलेगा. आपको सिर्फ वरदराज सर का नंबर मिलेगा. Call him and visit this property. Only 30 plots are available, he says. So the papers मैंने तो नहीं चेक किया, but you guys definitely check it. वरदराज सर is there to help you in everything. And मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप लोग मुझे फ्यूचर में याद रखें कि ऐसा एक हाथा प्रॉपर्टी पृथ्वी ने कभी आपको दिखाया था. इन फ्यूचर आप मुझे याद ज़रूर रखना. एंड वरदराज सर से भी मिल लेना. इनका नंबर मैं दे दूंगा. तो गाइस आज के लिए बस इतना ही. मिलते हैं अगली नई वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for giving me all your time and information. And you've been really supportive. आपने इतना wait किया मेरे लिए. And it is almost we are closing the day. You waited me. You waited from 2 o'clock and now it's nearing to 6 o'clock. So thank you so much for being such a good sport. तो guys मिलते हैं अगली नई वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए thank you so much. Bye bye.